Have you heard this haunted voice in the early morning? That repetitive call echoing through the trees. And there it is. Meet the brown-headed barbet. This bird belongs to the same family as woodpeckers and toucans. Yes, really. And despite that loud "kutroo, kutroo" call, it's incredibly hard to spot. It can sit on the same branch for hours, almost invisible. Now look closely at what this one is doing. Pecking, again and again, at the exact same spot. Is it feeding? Is it just resting? No, this bird is excavating its own nest. Brown-headed barbets carve out cavities in dead or soft wood, using nothing but their beak. Its diet is mostly fruits. Figs are its absolute favorite, along with insects and nectar. It lives in forests, gardens, and even busy cities.